Hey everybody, it's Joe Aldridge over at Central Florida Strength and Mobility. Just wanted to give you a quick update about what's going on here. I've been doing a lot of cleaning, taking care of some things. Of course, as you well know, we're not fully functional and operational at this time, but I did not or have not forgotten about you. And I want to provide you with as much as I can during these times. So we're going to have videos made on our YouTube channel and also posted on our Facebook page. And then I've also got the capacity now to set up for some limited online training, especially for those of you that have kettlebells or exercise equipment. I know many of you I've given kettlebells to, so you would have the capacity to be able to be trained. So if you're interested in that, get in touch with me and I can tell you what we've got available right now. Also on the online videos that I'll be posting on our web page, on our Facebook page and on our YouTube channel, these will be more maintenance programs. There'll be 3 different levels for those of you that have limited mobility and limited access to exercise equipment, and then a middle range, and then a full range for those of you that are a little more aggressive in your training. So if you're going to check those out, be good to have a chair or a stick, light stick. Also, for years I've gone to Home Depot, Lowe's, just gotten a piece of pipe, just a piece of PVC pipe, a small piece of PVC pipe. Now this has the end caps and has weight in it from that made it a little bit heavier, as I am wont to do, but you can get just the piece of PVC pipe for just a couple dollars. And I know Lowe's and Home Depot are still functional. And if I'm not mistaken, I believe that Crowder Brothers has the pipe as well. But if you can't get out to get the pipe, you can also get your broom. And some of the newer brooms have where you can screw the handle off the end of the broom, and you would be able to use that pipe as well. It's not as long as what we'd like for it to be, but it's still useful. So a stick or a small pipe of some kind would be useful in those videos. And then a chair, obviously, we're going to use a chair. Sit to stands. You can do push-ups off the chair. There's plenty of things that you can be able to do if you want to have those available to you. So just wanted to say, hey, hope you're doing well. Hope you're staying well. And Central Florida Strength and Mobility is just going to try to do what we can to accessorize your life a little bit and get you back to training. Because I know when we get these doors back open and get functioning, some of you are going to have a ways to come back. But we're going to do what we can to provide you with a maintenance program. So please keep that in mind, and there'll be more to come. Thanks a lot. I appreciate it.